are many reasons why seniors may want to consider a final expense policy versus that of your traditional life insurance. The main reason why seniors would want to consider final expense is due to the simplified underwriting process involved. Typically, this is just a few questions with an agent and a nurse from an insurance company, all that can be done right over the phone. This allows for seniors not to have to worry about taking any medical examination. Another main reason why seniors may want to consider purchasing a final expense policy would be due to the pricing. Pricing for these policies can be as low as $35 a month. And the base value of the policy, meaning your death benefit, can be as low as $5,000 upwards of $30,000. So this allows for the approval process to be a lot more simple and can be even done within just a few days of an application. One of the things we mention to those that are working with us is that we can work with loved ones even up to age 90, believe it or not. We at Mintco Financial specialize in working with seniors and their life insurance needs. Feel free to give us a call at 813-964-7100 and you can work personally with one of our associates. Or, if shopping for a loved one, we provide instant quotes right online at our website, www.mintcofinancial.com. Give us a call or visit our website, and we look forward to working with you soon. Make it a